Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log into your DoorDash app. Now if you want to log into your DoorDash account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to log into your DoorDash, make sure that you have installed the DoorDash app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you need to simply open the DoorDash app and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on your device. So if you are not connected to any of it, you won't be able to log into your device. So here you will see various options like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or continue with email or phone. Now remember what I have signed up with, and you may choose the option accordingly. So I've currently signed up with Apple, so I'll click on the option of continue with Apple. So I'll click on the option of continue. Now it asks for my Face ID, so I need to verify it. I'm just showing you the option of sign in. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to simply sign into your DoorDash account. So that's it. That's how you can sign into DoorDash. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.